I'm Kristen Chenoweth. You may know me from Broadway, TV, and the movies, but now I'm taking on a very exciting role as godmother to Royal Caribbean International's newest, most innovative ship, Quantum of the Seas. Oh, I'm so proud of my godchild. I'm standing in North Star. How would you like to hang out above the ship, or actually over the ocean? In North Star, you can do just that. From up here, it's a world you've never seen before, and a Royal Caribbean first for the entire industry. Another Royal Caribbean first, Ripcord by iFly. Have you ever dreamed of skydiving at sea? This adventure is for people of all ages, even legendary actress Estelle Harris.
All right, she's been in there 4 times already. Isn't it my turn now?
Wow! Next time we'll do a tandem, honey.
You were terrific. Congratulations. But watch this.
Come on, Richie. Keep it up. Now I know what I'll look like after a facelift. Keep up the good work. You know he's the chairman. Hi, honey. Go at it. Yeah!
270 is one of the most dynamic venues on the ship. Literally transforming throughout the day. For an afternoon retreat, you can kick up your feet and unwind with a loved one, or grab a drink.
Tell, can you believe this place? World-class entertainment, 3-story video wall. Look at this ice bar. It's just really quite magical. Do you have a better line? Oh, I didn't think so.
How come he never speaks? Oh, see? Being a godmother has its privileges. And in the evening at 270, you'll marvel at one of our dramatic performances. Music, world-class entertainment, excitement. Just another day on Quantum of the Seas. This is Seaplex, our sports and entertainment complex, the largest at sea, and another Royal Caribbean first. Adam, I know this is your game, but you better watch out.
Godmother with a 2-handed backhand, very dangerous.
You know it. Oh, I just love all the activities on this ship.
So do I. It's really something special, isn't it?
Incredible! So much to do, mind-blowing!
Still got it. Chris Webber still has it.
I still got it too.
With a little help from me.
Check it. Oh.
Nice.
High five. That was so great. Low five. Low five. Yes. And for the first time at sea, bumper cars. Watch out!
Gotcha, Elio.
Hey Nolan, let me tell you something. In racing, you're trying to avoid smashing the other cars.
It's bumper cars. Bumper cars? Get it? By the way, nice racing uniform.
Are you even tall enough to drive one of these things? Whoa! Hello.
Why don't you pick on someone your own size?
Maybe you should settle this on the dance floor.
You're on. Now this is my kind of place! Hit it, boys! The Music Hall. 2 floors of cutting-edge music and entertainment. One of my favorite places. Quantum of the Seas is truly a one-of-a-kind ship, but her staterooms are the most spacious and luxurious accommodations in the fleet.
Hide and seek. Ready? Go!
These unique modular rooms, which you'll find only on Royal Caribbean, are perfect for the ultimate vacation. These family-connected staterooms give larger families the flexibility of sharing time together, or stealing some quiet time. For those who want to experience our most luxurious accommodations featuring the finest amenities and our most expansive views, our Royal Loft may be just what you're looking for. Now, this is the kind of room a godmother deserves. Sailing out of the New York area, Quantum of the Seas will travel to the most sought-after destinations in the Caribbean and in the Bahamas. Of course, we've brought back some of your favorite activities, including the Flow Rider, and our friends from DreamWorks, including my favorite ogre, Shrek. Each of these events on Quantum of the Seas provides its own moment to remember. Together, they create an experience you will never forget. You'll just have to experience it for yourself. Nice table tennis moves, Adam.
Thank you, that's very kind of you.
I have some questions about my godmother duties.
Let's hear it.
Do I outrank the captain?
No.
Can I choose our next port?
No.
Can I have one of the bumper cars?
No, but if you're a bumper car driver extraordinaire, you can drive one anytime you like.
How does one get to be a godmother?
Excuse me.
Oh, Estelle, it's a very intricate process, you know.
Excuse me, Estelle. Richard and I have very official business here.
Richard, this ship is quite an accomplishment.
Stop trying to butter him up.
Oh, ladies, please, let's settle this at bumper cars.
Oh, let's.
Not.
Do you think they'll let me drive this thing?
No. You know, they asked me to be godmother, but I didn't want to hurt your feelings.
Graceful, smart, exciting. Not me, silly. The ship. Only on Royal Caribbean can you have such an amazing experience. Hope to see you all on board Quantum of the Seas. Prepare to be wowed. Hi, it's me again. Did you miss me? There's so much stuff I didn't get to tell you. Okay, the dining, food is amazing. Shopping, heart palpitations, ladies. Oh, and the technology is so good, so smart. I don't think I'm supposed to tell you any of this, because it's a secret. So shh. Oh, I'm so excited, I can't wait. I'll see you on board Quantum of the Seas.